Imagine a football rivalry so intense, so goated that families getting divided, friendships breaking, and an entire city comes to a standstill. No, I'm not talking about El Clasicos nor Manchester derbies, but right here in India, the Bengal derby. Then East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan, and sometimes Mohammedan SC. A rivalry older than your grandfathers, fiercer than politics, and more emotional than religion. This isn't just a football match. This is war, culture, pride, and identity all packed into 90 minutes of madness. So, why are people in West Bengal absolutely obsessed with this game? Let's dive into a story that has been shaping Bengal for more than a century. To understand this madness, we have to rewind back to the early 20th century. Football has just arrived in India thanks to the British. Mohun Bagan, founded in 1889, quickly became a symbol of Indians' pride, especially after the legendary 1911 IFA Shield win when barefooted Bagan players defeated the mighty British East Yorkshire Regiment. For Bengalis, Mohun Bagan wasn't just a club, it was resistance, it was freedom and nationalism, and people also say that it was a symbol of victory. Then came the East Bengal in 1920, born out of identity and migration. आज के दिन में बहुत सारे लोग ईस्ट बंगाल के, जो कि प्रेजेंट डे पे कंसिडर किया जाता है बांग्लादेश, उनके बहुत सारे लोग आज कैलकाटा में रह रहे हैं and everything looks normal. But that time when they came for the first time, they needed an identity, they needed a voice, a team that represent them. They needed a symbol. So that's how East Bengal was born, that's how East Bengal was formed. Not just an ordinary club, it was a symbol of pride for the immigrant community. So when East Bengal clashed with Mohun Bagan, वो just एक 11 versus 11, 11v11 सिर्फ एक normal match या फिर fight नहीं था. It was all about native versus immigrants, tradition versus rebellions. That's why this derby caught fire immediately. इसीलिए इस derby को आज के दिन में भी consider किया जाता है the greatest derby of all time, the goated derby. East Bengal and Mohun Bagan के अलावा भी एक और क्लब था जो compete कर रहा था इन दोनों के साथ at the very same level, at the very same height. It was none other than Mohammedan Sporting Club, founded in 1891. Mohammedan became the pride of the Muslim community in Bengal in 1930s and 40s. Then they dominated Indian football, winning 5 straight Calcutta Football League titles. For many years, the biggest matches weren't just about East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan, but also includes Mohammedan, creating a fiery 3-way rivalry. Even today, आज भी Mohammedans के presence makes Kolkata फुटबॉल स्पेशल. आज भी मोहम्मदन का दौर है, आज भी मोहम्मदन बहुत ही बढ़िया खेलते हैं एंड दे ऑलवेज कम्पीट एट द सेम लेवल, द वे देयर इज अ सेम फाइटिंग स्पिरिट लाइक द ईस्ट बंगाल एंड मोहन बगान, स्पेशली बिकॉज दे ब्रिंग इन देयर ओन पैशनेट फैन बेस, मेकिंग द डर्बी कल्चर बिगर देन जस्ट 2 clubs. Now you might wonder why a Bengali is so obsessed with this game. Is it because of only one thing, that is entertainment, or there is some other reason? I personally think and feel that it's more of like identity for them. As Mohun Bagan FC represents tradition and pride, East Bengal represents resilience and belonging, Mohammedan FC represents legacy and unity. And जब बात आती है कि कोलकाता के डार्बी डेज की, फर्क नहीं पड़ता what is the stage, either if it's semi-final, a final, a quarter-final or something like that, important stage of a tournament, doesn't matter. When these 3 teams collide with each other, compete against each other, either it be East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan, Mohammedan FC versus East Bengal, or Mohammedan FC versus Mohun Bagan, whatever the cases are, the results, high fans and everything just becomes tremendous, outstanding, out of the world. And when these 3 giants meet against each other, compete against each other at the derby days in Kolkata, तब माहौल कुछ अलग हो जाता है, माहौल बदल जाता है, माहौल बिगड़ जाता है, क्योंकि तब कोई नॉर्मली चीज़ों को देखता नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ 11v11 फाइट, जहाँ पे अगर किसी को तोड़ दे फोड़ दे उस पे भी कोई लगाव नहीं. मैच के बाहर तुम जो भी हो, मैच ऑन द पिच यू गाइस, बोथ द टीम्स आर वॉरियर्स फाइटिंग for their own sake of life. That's how passionate these derbies become. And for example, Salt Lake Stadium, जो कि बस 85,000 fans को होल्ड कर सकता है, क्राउड को होल्ड कर सकता है, उसमें 1,30,000 या फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा कभी कभार एक्सीड कर जाता है. That is bigger than Camp Nou, bigger than Old Trafford. People skip work families cancel functions, and entire neighborhood turn into a battleground of green, maroon, and red gold. Fight breakouts, tear flows, and sometimes even tragedies happen. The 1980s Derby stampede killed 16 people, a dark reminder of how dangerously passionate this rivalry can get. But it's not always violence. Sometimes it's art, it's music, it's poetry, even politics, all centered around this 90 minutes game. And this is why football in Bengal is just not only considered as a sport, it's a way of life. We live with football, we all love football, and we all wanna be a part of this sport with all the other players who are playing for our own team. We want to be one of the kind. Now if we fast forward to today, हो सकता है सब कुछ बदल चुका है. Like till the Derby is still alive, but the thing is, the stage has shifted. Like Mohun Bagan merge हो चुका है 80 के साथ and became 80 के Mohun Bagan from being Mohun Bagan Supergiant. While East Bengal अभी बन चुका है, founded their way into the Indian Super League, and Mohammedan FCB meanwhile is making waves in the I League. पर एक चीज़ जो आज भी सेम है, सिमिलर है और शायद कभी भी नहीं बदलेगा, that is the madness of fans. Whether it's 1920 CFL games or a 2025 ISL clash, the atmosphere remains the same, raw, passionate, noisy, and an electric vibe that no other Indian rivalry can match. If we talk about a little bit about this rivalry, it is considered one of the greatest rivalries of all time. See, before ending, I just wanna say that maybe Team India is not the best footballing team in this whole world, of course. Like every other team is far away, far ahead of Team India. पर एक चीज इस nation को goated बनाता है is the one and only rivalry, the one and only derby, that is East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan. इस derby के अंदर सब कुछ बदल जाता है and it is the goated derby. ये सबको beat कर देता है when it comes to the clash. ये El Clasicos beat कर देता है, ये Manchester Derbies beat कर देता है, ये लिवरपूल वर्सेस चेल्सी बीट कर देता है, ये सब कुछ बीट कर देता है एंड एवरीथिंग चेंजेस. सो द ट्रुथ इज द बंगाल डर्बी इज मोर देन फुटबॉल. इट इज 100 years of old story of migration, identity, pride, politics, tragedy, and celebrations. And if you ever want to feel the purest form of football, visit India for passionate football. Forget Mumbai, forget Delhi, come to Kolkata on Derby days. You will see why people call it the greatest football rivalry, not in Asia, in the freaking world. And remember, in Bengal, if you wanna support any club, you can go for it. But when it comes to derby days, you have to wear or choose a color, that is green, maroon, or red, gold, or black and white. So tell me in the comments if you are ever gonna visit Kolkata, and if you do, what is you gonna be wearing at the stadium.